Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of logic to explore two important types of statements, conditional and biconditional statements. These are fundamental concepts in mathematics and logic that help us understand relationships between statements. What is a conditional statement? A conditional statement, also known as an implication, is a logical statement that has two parts, a hypothesis and a conclusion. It is often written in the form if P, then Q. Here, P is the hypothesis and Q is the conclusion. The truth value of a conditional statement depends on the truth values of P and Q. Let's look at an example. If it rains, then the ground will be wet. Hypothesis, P, it rains. Conclusion, Q, the ground will be wet. This statement suggests that the ground being wet is dependent on it raining. Truth table for conditional statement. If P is true and Q is false, then PQ is false, otherwise PQ is true. Look at the table, the result of second row is false because P is true and Q is false and all other rows has true result. What is a biconditional statement? A biconditional statement is a logical statement that combines two conditional statements. It is often written in the form P if and only if Q. Both conditions must be true or both must be false for the statement to be true. Consider the statement, you can enter the club if and only if you are a member. Hypothesis, P, you can enter the club. Conclusion, Q, you are a member. This statement suggests that entering the club is dependent on being a member, and being a member guarantees entry to the club. Truth table for biconditional statement. If P and Q both have same values, then result will be true, otherwise P left right arrow Q, biconditional, will false. Look at the table, the result of first and last row is true, because P and Q has same values, and row third and fourth has false result. Let's compare the two. A conditional statement, PQ, is true when the conclusion follows from the hypothesis. A biconditional statement, P left right arrow Q, is true when both statements are either true or false. In essence, a biconditional statement is a stronger assertion than a conditional statement because it requires both directions, PQ and QP, to hold true.